Boom, boom, boom. The fireworks will go on tonight. Welcome to the year of the snake coming up. 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm starting my day. That's because I did all the video adjusting. Nice hotel room though, so good place to relax, get the stuff done. But it's New Year's Eve, night of the snake, so I gotta go out and see what's going on. The streets are so quiet. I mean, just pretty much nobody moving around. There are a lot of firecrackers, a lot of other stuff. If you look around, there's about every business and everything is closed. So it's gonna be interesting to see what I find today for stuff that's around to see and do. Wow. Last night, this place was just hustling and bustling and just full of everything and businesses and people. Today, New Year's Eve, it's just completely dead. I mean, there's some stuff coming in, but we'll see if it has anything going on tonight. I doubt it very strongly. Even alongside here, street vendors, it's pretty much nothing. All right, we're getting to the second market now. Get all the little turtles you can buy, all the rabbits and all the petty stuff. And this is kind of the second market. We go in. It's the meat market and the different stuff. But this one too, you look, it's just about completely closed today. Like I say, the shops are just closed, cleaning up. Very few things are open. Very few people selling, so it's just how the holidays are here. It just closes up. Everything is closed, closed, closed. Nobody working. Fishing. Crabs. Fish. Ooh, eels. Calamari, you name it. Oranges, strawberries with chip. Orders closed. Too much grease. Too much grease. Wow, the difference is and cultures. Almost everything. 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Almost nobody on the street. Everything is closed. It's the start of a new year. Just like, wow.